In a world where a YouTube channel drops BI quick tip videos bi-weekly, where the comments are pure fire and the animations get better over time, one company will release a triple-digit number that will leave the audience shocked. So grab your popcorn, sit back and relax, because we're going to watch every single one. Just kidding. Welcome to the Big 100. In this video, we'll go over custom visualizations in Power BI. To import any custom visual, we'll click on the three dots here and select Import from App Source. Now, you'll be able to scroll and see all of the custom visuals that you could import into Power BI. To do this, we'll click on Add over here. Then we'll click OK and we could see the custom visual here. Clicking on it will show you what word cloud can do by utilizing a Shakespeare sample, but feel free to import your own data and play around with it. With word cloud, the bigger the word, the more bigger the significance. But you can also filter the word with your data by clicking over here. Right now we're filtering by play, but we can also filter by line or even by character. The next sample we'll show you is with the custom visual called Gantt charts. With this, we'll be able to see charts with details of a task and additional key performance indicators. We could make a bar graph next to our chart data, or even change the view of the chart by filtering what we want to specifically see. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.